Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I was going through some things, just trying to get paperwork ready for taxes, and I don't know about you guys, but I am like a piler or a stacker. Like when I get mail, if I know it's something that I need to keep, I will just make a pile and just stack and stack and stack, and then I will go through the stack all at once. So while I was doing that, I happened to find these old sticker kits, and these were made by Sunshine Sticker Co. And they're actually made for the Mini Happy Planner. So the last time I used a Mini Happy Planner was 2018. So these are very old stickers, but I never used them. And the more I was looking at the size of this, the more I was wondering, will this fit in my Hobonichi, the monthly view? So if you guys saw my setup video, you know that I went ahead and set up all of my monthlies with this little strip of washi, excuse me, that also matches another strip of washi. So for example, here is March. And this washi matches the beginning of March right here. So this was July, and I went to July in my the monthly, and I was shockingly able to pull up that washi strip that I put down, and it did make the paper curl just a little bit, but that's okay. That paper has been down probably for, excuse me, I don't know, maybe like a month or something. So I'm just, first of all, totally shocked that this paper allowed me to pull up washi. And this isn't regular on the roll washi. This is like sticker shop washi. So it's printed on sticker paper. So it's shocking. Totally impressed with Hobonichi paper right now. Okay, so moving on. So look, this is what we're going to do today. I have my July, and I have my Mini Happy Planner July kit. Now this is a Sunday start because that's the way the Happy Planners are set up. But we are going to see if this will fit. If it does fit, then it definitely opens up the possibility, if you like stickers like I do, it opens up the possibility of being able to use different kits for your Hobonichi. Okay, so the first thing that I want to try is to lay down the days of the week. And I think the spacing should work. So actually, you know what? Let's do this sidebar first. Okay, now I am going to try to keep this little July part right here. So let's go ahead and, what should we do first? Yeah, let's try to do the top. All right, so I'm going to switch it around like this. And you know what? For good measure, I think I'm just going to take it right out of the case, so we don't have any lumps or bumps. I can lay this washi down well. Okay, so let's remove our cover. All right, now let's go back to July and our monthly. Now, let's see. Actually, you know, the first thing I think I'm going to do is just cut this off so it's separate, because I want it to be as accurate as possible. And I put the days of the week stickers down. So I actually have, well, what I found was July, August, and September. So let's see, how about we measure out Wednesday first? We're going to go from the inside out. So here is Wednesday. And let me see, there's actually enough room for me to cut right in between the cut lines. So that's what we're going to do. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in focus and focus on cutting. Okay, and I'm not going to use the icon, so I'm not going to worry about that. All right, now we're down to Wednesday. All right, let's do Wednesday first because it's on this side of the page. Get you back in focus. There we go. All right, so we need Wednesday, and there's a little bit of bleed on these stickers. So let's do it right here. And honestly, I mean, I guess you could measure this, but where's the fun in that, right? All right, Wednesday. Got Wednesday cut out. And let's try to put it down. See if it will stay. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. All right, so it is going to, I want to use the whole border. So it is going to go actually into the day on the first week. I mean, I guess I could cut it, but that's all right. All right, here goes Wednesday. Oh gosh, can I get this even? Okay, here's Wednesday. Let's see, how did I do? Okay, that doesn't look too bad. All right, so Wednesday is on. All right, I'm gonna try to keep you guys zoomed in so hopefully you can see. All right, now let's try Tuesday. See, I don't know where to cut it in between Sunday and Monday. And I know if I lay it down, if I try to cut it, it's going to be crooked, but that's okay. All right, let's just peel it back like this. We'll try to put Tuesday down. Oop, so much pressure. All right, Tuesday. Oop. All right, here we go. Monday. Let's see if it's going to be a straight line. Okay. Excuse me. And geez, I need a cup of coffee. All right, so we've got Monday to Wednesday down. That worked out perfect. Now let's do, I still have this piece left that's got Sunday in July on it. And I'm going to go on the other side and see if I can just lay this straight down, and it looks like I can. So this is crazy that the spacing is almost identical. I think I actually did a video now that I think about it. Did I do a video and compare the mini happy planner with my Techo? I don't know, I'm gonna have to look back. I feel like I did. Okay, Thursday, just turn it like this. Need that bottom border, kind of line it up. All right, now let's see if we can cut that straight. All right, here we go. It's looking good, I'm excited. All right, so now we just need to put on Sunday, and then we'll see how much I have left over. Make this a little more straight. Okay, so here goes Sunday, and sorry, I know this is crooked. Oh. Sunday, and will I cut it straight? Oh, can you guys tell? It's a smidge crooked. All right, now let me see if I can peel it up. Okay, that's just amazing. All right, let's make this a little more even. Sunday. Okay, this is very exciting. All right, now we have our July left. And let's see, is this a miracle? What? Are you guys seeing this? Is it about to fit perfect? Okay, here we go. See, this is why you should always keep your extra stickers. Oh, let's cut that because that is crooked. Okay. And here we go. Perfect. All right, guys, it worked. There's the mini Happy Planner Kit monthly in the Hobonichi. All right, now we're going to put this down. Now, I know that this is going to be a little bit long. It might also be a little too wide, but that is okay. So the other pieces that came with this were some full boxes and some paydays, which I don't really need for the way I'm going to use this monthly. So I might just put this down. Let's see. Excuse me, guys. I'm really sorry. I keep coughing. All right, let's see if this will fit. This might be a little bit wide for what I need, but you know what? We'll try it. All right, sidebar. Here we go. It is going to cover up my weeks, but that's okay. All right, so it will cover up the dates if I keep it like this. So what I'm going to do is just chop off the dark purple border that's on each side and try to keep where it says this month. Okay, we got one piece off. And honestly, I've done this so many times, like used different sticker kits for different planners. It's always just so fun. Oh no. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Like I was saying, it's always just so fun to me to try out different kits and different planners. All right, so this one, we're almost there. We are almost there. Are you guys excited about this? Is this a possible Hobonichi hack? Let me know in the comments. All right, here we go. Will that fit? Okay. Well, I can't tell the side. Turn it sideways like this. That way I can use the border. I think it's gonna fit. Oh. Just barely. Oh no, it's crooked. See, I just said I was gonna use the border and I still made it crooked. All right, let me try this again. Let's try it again to line it up. Oh, that's way crooked. Whew, that was worse. I mean, are you guys impressed by that? Look at that. I mean, the sticker just peels right up. Okay. All right, people. Last attempt. Last attempt. It's real life, you know? Real life. Okay, I think the problem is I cut it crooked. That's the issue. It's not the planner, it's me. All right, and you know what? Why not? Let's just pull this all the way down and cut it. And all right. Okay, there we go. Well, I am pleasantly surprised. This is great news. Let's see what else we have on here. We have teeny tiny date dots. There you go, get you back in focus here. I probably should put these on since I have covered up the beginning of the month. I could have definitely cut down the top part of the days of the week and it would have fit perfectly, but I wanted the whole thing because it was pretty with the flowers. And let's see, these full boxes would fit like on the bottom. I could definitely cut those down and they could go on the bottom right here. So I will probably try that, not on camera because obviously most of my cutting was crooked, but that's okay. And I will probably go ahead and add, like I said, these date dots. So there you go, guys. Mini Happy Planner Kit chopped up will fit your Hobonichi A6. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have tried this before, please let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.